Let's use map search in Instagram. Now, this is the best, newest feature, in my opinion, of Instagram, is that you can now search by map and just scroll through, find different posts for different locations within the map. I'll show you how to do that. Let's hop into Instagram here and tap on search at the bottom left. Now, you need to start off with searching for a place. Let's just search for Maui here at the top. And I'm going to search for Maui and hit search. Now, at the very top right, I'm going to hit places, and then I'm going to just search for Maui. Now, this will give me all of the posts that have tagged Maui here, but I can swipe this down, and it gives me the ability to navigate around this map. So I can navigate to wherever I want on here. Let's just navigate. Let's go to one of these beach towns and scroll in here. And now if I scroll around, it's a little bit fidgety, but if I go up and down, there we go, and hit search this area, I can move this around and search within specific areas for posts and people that have visited this area. So I can zoom in here, and you can zoom into, say, this specific beach area, and here I can tap on this beach, and I'll find everybody that has posted at this specific beach. Maybe it's a beach that I'm thinking of visiting on a vacation. I can tap on any of these different locations, there's 4 seasons, and see who has tagged themselves in a post at this specific location. So maybe it's a great way if you're thinking of traveling to somewhere, see a bunch of different posts in that area. You can always find different accounts that have visited this area and just generally browse around. This is a better way, in my opinion, than, say, Google Maps or something like that, because you get real life pictures of people that were at these locations. And you can scroll through all of these different posts. You can see what it's like, see if it's somewhere that you specifically want to visit. Maybe it's a restaurant, a hotel, a beach, anything like that, the shops, different shopping centers, all of that stuff. You can search for it, and then you'll be able to see all these different posts that you might want to follow the account or just see what it looks like in that area. Hope this helps. Thanks for your time today, and I'll see you on the next one.